Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. Nataliya here, and today we have with you some very adorable, some very awesome, amazing unboxing from, let me see so we can correct say name, ArtDear. Okay, so this is, there is the two canvases in here. Links I will provide for you under this video, so please check it out. And whatever discount code, they will be there. So I have to pull out this from the box first because it's two canvases in here wrapped together. So we're going to see one by one. I'm just going to pull out diamonds first because they are all together wrapped in here. So oopsie. Okay, this is for one. And let me just get one canvas, smaller one. We will start with smaller one, with this one, and this one will also later. Well, today we're going to see today. So they wrap it together, two canvases, as you can see. Canvas in a perfect condition, velvet fabric canvas. And this is the adorable cuteness overload that I told you in one of my previous videos, that we're going to have a very cute design, as I call it, cuteness overload. Isn't it? This is so precious. Those little friends up there on the huge bellflower, so gorgeous to me, so cute, and I love the flower, beautiful color. And they are hiding maybe from the rain. What do you think? So this design, it says 45 by 45 centimeters. Usually it's a full, together with the borders size. Print, I already can tell you that it's absolutely gorgeous. We can see a little bit with our own eye how beautifully it's printed. Glue, very glossy, very good quality of the glue, and canvas itself, it's so glittery, so pretty, very pretty. So in here I have, what we have in here, 40 colors. Yes, we have 40 colors in here. So first, check it out. The toolkit, usually it's the same, that we have a tray wax and one placer, three placer, and one of those like cheap kind of tweezers that usually doesn't work for me for anything. If it's work for you, that's good, but to me it's just better have kit without them. They are not good, in my opinion. So let's see, maybe in this picture we can see a little bit better design without the pixels, but it's cute. So I decided to have this one in round diamonds, and this is going to be some special diamonds in here as well. Let me just check which one because I don't remember. Oh, this one with AB diamonds, and we have three colors of AB. So here is their logo with the lion, and here it is. Picture more close to see. I think, yeah, that's, and here you can see that it's raining and they're hiding, so maybe it's a mama and two little kids. What do you think? Cute, very cute. So where is those AB usually all together? Okay, I can see in here we have one shade of blues, very sparkle. We have shade in here in yellow, okay, and where is one more? Where is one more? I guess they didn't put together, maybe. Usually they all three together, but okay, I see right in here. It's a very light color. Sparkles will make these diamonds very, very pretty. So that's our 3 colors. You can see this one kind of big difference in the colors, so that's good. And the rest of the diamonds, it's a very colorful palette. We can see all diamonds through the bag, so we don't really need to open them. Okay, that's cute, very cute. Any little kid, I think, going to love it if you can make them this design. And I love it. Sometimes, you know, from serious designs, I love cuteness, and this one is very cute. Lately I have remembered those little bunnies that I rabbit wherever I review, which, oh, maybe that one design will be tomorrow, I'm not sure. So anyway, I'm not sure which day I will upload this video. Could be on Friday you will watch, so it should be like 2 videos for you. I also cross stitch, so check it out later on my channel for 2 videos possible. Okay, now one more. Oh my goodness, I'm so actually excited about the other one as well, because it's so pretty, so colorful. Let me show you what we're going to have. So same thing, we have a same toolkit as in the other one, and design is, my friends, it is so gorgeous. It is big. Look at that. OMG, isn't it? This is 50 by 75 centimeters. Look at that. Are you drooling yet? Tell me. Oh, look at this ice cream. Look at the berries in here. See, this way we kind of have too much reflection. Those cones look so crunchy. So crunchy. And the ice cream. And the ice cream part, top part. Look at how colorful. They also have their logo on the canvases, and a scallop cat by the symbols, all the way symbols on both sides in here. Okay, I think it's going to be better if I can show you this design sideways. That way we don't have a glare. Oh my god, look at it. Compared to my hands, you can see kind of actual size. But it is so colorful. I love the ombre transition of these colors. Oh, I'm literally drooling right now because it's so delicious looking. With the straw, maybe it's a cookie in here straw, you know. Sometimes you have the, I know in Canada we have that, some stores could sell like a cookie straw. So you sip through any kind of drink and then you can eat cookie as well. But this is not the drinks. This is delicious, delicious ice cream. So let's check it out what we have in here with this design. We have in here 45 colors. Oh, and this one have 4 colors of fairy dust diamonds. I wish it would be more fairy dust diamonds in here, but that would be more expensive as well for the canvases. So just so you know, canvases, if they have a special diamonds, they are a little bit more pricey, because those kind of diamonds always more expensive to order to begin with. And here's actual picture, so you can see the whole thing correctly. It is gorgeous. Oh, I'm like, I can't even talk, my mouth's full of water just to look on this design. Let me see if I can find quickly this fairy dust. I found one in blue color. Come on, wherever you are. It's gonna be tricky sometimes because they are not like AB. Okay, this one is very dark 823 color in fairy dust. And what else will be in here? Okay, we're gonna for right here. Oh, I found one more blue. a light blue. So basically 3 shades of blue so far. How many I say? 4 colors? Yes, 4 colors. So one would be like a burgundy or something. Yeah, this is the one. 154. That's our fairy dust diamonds. And look at this beautiful colors for the rest of them. So colorful. Oh, big bag of pinky. So here it is. Let me show you fairy dust diamonds first. Actually, this special diamonds, let's see them on a tray, because they are beautiful and we have to see them better. I love to work with fairy dust diamonds, and actually with some of them I was working last night. Yes, last night I was diamond painting and I had lots of fairy dust diamonds to place, but that was a square diamonds. So let's check it out close. Okay, maybe we have to zoom a little bit. Not sure. I hope you can see that. Okay, now we got it close. You can see the glitter top on the top of the diamonds. Look very pretty. I hope it's correct focusing. I hope it's focusing correctly. Gorgeous juicy color, very pretty. Okay, it's very static from the bag. Let's not to spill them too much. This color is beautiful. Usually more visible of the fairy dust layer on the darker colors. Same thing would be for AB diamonds. Okay, wait a minute. This is not, is it? Is this fairy dust, or I mix up something? Oh yeah, I think it is. Hold on, I'm confusing here. Or this is regular one. Did I grab a wrong bag? Let me check close to camera. No, this is regular diamonds. Look how shiny though. Okay, just a minute. It's a 17. That's not the one. Okay, so this is not AB. I still have to. Oh, okay, I found the AB. Hold on. In the bag, because they were like so shiny and sparkle, it fooled me. I thought it's a fairy dust. I always mixing up AB diamonds with fairy dust diamonds, so please forgive me if I say wrong sometimes, because I'm so used to AB diamonds before, and like a AB and fairy dust wasn't really for a long time in the market, so I keep forgetting and say the opposite one. Okay, this is the one in green. You can see in here the layer of glitter on the top. The fairy dust sparkle. Very nice and bright colors. Okay, so this is the one. It's a 906 DMC code for these diamonds. Alright. Okay, so yeah, so this is the 4 colors, and this is the big bag. Oh, that's a lot of diamonds in here in fairy dust. I love this color and this kind of diamonds. I know that kind of recognize this color already. I think I unboxed lately many designs with this color particularly, and here they are. Looking good, looking good, looking good. I hope it's focusing correctly. Kind of hard to see through the little space on camera. From far you can see even better. I don't know, not always good to see on a little screen, but then when I edit video later, then I see there's like it's showing very well on a big screen of computer when I start to work. And one more lighter color. Here you are. If this would be sunny spot, it would be so sparkle. It's going to be fun to work with them. And this kind of diamonds work very well with wax. AB diamonds a little bit tricky because they pull in wax or wax sticking to the diamonds. And wait a minute, I see the one diamond jump out from the baggie when I open. Okay, that is a beautiful colors. And then I can show you a few of the like very beautiful juicy colors. Like look at the ice cream. Oh, colors are so pretty. Lots of blue shades, lots of blue shades, because we have a lots of background. Look at that. This one like beautiful shading of green. This is huge bag, diamonds looking good, as close we can get. Some red, lots of browns as well. But my goodness, tell me what you think. Don't you just love it? This is so pretty. This is so pretty, so juicy. Let me push those diamonds away. Oh, I got a few diamonds more came out. Probably bag was like some diamonds go behind the zipper lock, and now I see a few diamonds I have in here. Have to put in a baggie. But isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love this one. Oh my goodness. Especially if you have maybe a shop, maybe you're the owner of ice cream shop, a restaurant, doesn't matter. Oh, it would be good in your dining room somewhere. This is so pretty. I absolutely love it. I love the ombre colors in those ice cream. The way they made. I cannot talk. I'm drooling and literally mouth full of saliva because it's so beautiful. And look at this one, cookie or straw, whatever that is, like in rainbow color in here. Very pretty. And of course the print in here also is like very nice. Good layer of glue, like super good layer of glue. Look at how shiny. Awesome. Velvet canvases, so that's, you know, it feels good when you place them. It's not like you place it on a regular. And the other day I told you that my dog accidentally squished my canvas, velvet canvas. I was working on square diamonds. He messed up a little bit with the diamonds, but the canvas was laying on my table flat and the wrinkles almost gone. So it really will save you for any oopsies that can happen. Velvet canvases are the best, because if this would be regular plastic, the canvas would be destroyed. So it's good. I love this quality of these designs. The colors here are beautiful. I wish it would be more of the fairy dust diamonds in here, better number. For AP would be okay, but fairy dust is really looking good on any canvases, and they don't disturb color as much as AB would do. So let me know in the comments what you think about today's unboxing review. I think both these canvases are absolutely stunning. This little cuteness overload is amazing. Any child would love to have this one. And of course, kids would love to have even this one, yummy ice cream. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for watching today my video. And as I mentioned before, hopefully it will be 2 videos for you today. Links will be under my video in the description box. Check it out. Happy shopping, and I will see you tomorrow.